Welcome to my channel, at Veteriner Diary. In this video, we will share about what should we do if the cat's temperature is below normal. If your cat's temperature is below normal, typically around 100.5 degrees Fahrenheit to 102.5 degrees Fahrenheit or 38 degrees Celsius to 39.2 degrees Celsius, it's important to take the situation seriously, as this may indicate health issues such as hypothermia, illness, or shock. Here's what you can do. 1. Measure temperature. Confirm the low temperature by using a digital rectal thermometer designed for pets. Be gentle and ensure the thermometer is sanitized before and after use. 2. Keep the cat warm. If your cat is cold, wrap them in a warm blanket or towel to help elevate their body temperature. You can also use a heating pad set on low, but make sure there is a barrier, like a towel, to prevent burns. Ensure the cat can move away from the heat if they become too warm. 3. Check for other symptoms. Observe your cat for any additional symptoms, such as lethargy, difficulty breathing, vomiting, diarrhea, or changes in appetite. These can provide important information about your cat's condition. 4. Hydration. Ensure your cat has access to water. Dehydration can worsen their condition, so encourage them to drink if they are able. 5. Avoid stress. Keep your cat in a calm and quiet environment to reduce stress, which can further affect their health. 6. Contact a veterinarian. It's crucial to consult a veterinarian as soon as possible, especially if the low temperature persists or if your cat shows other concerning symptoms. They can perform a thorough examination and provide appropriate treatment. 7. Follow veterinary advice. If your veterinarian recommends specific treatments or care, follow their instructions closely to ensure the best outcome for your cat. Prompt action can make a significant difference in your cat's recovery, so don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed. Thank you for watching. We hope this video is useful.